What's going on, traders? I hope you guys are making some money today. So what we would need to do is a little technical analysis. We need to find some stocks potentially that we can make some money in, and we need to, be ready to execute, right? So what I'm looking at is AMD, guys. I love trading AMD. I love trading NVIDIA. I love trading Tesla, so forth and so forth. I'm a high beta trader, meaning I'm going to trade, the big names in the triple Qs. So what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at a gap down in the pre-market, and I'm looking at countless hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours worth of sideways movement. This is a classic inside bar day from yesterday's price action. Okay, so we never took out yesterday's highs. We haven't taken out yesterday's lows. We're right in the middle. So what is that telling you? We're setting up and getting ready for the next big move. Now, is that move going to be back up to the top side, or is it going to be a nice pullback into some demand zones, right? So with that kind of being said, I'm looking at these bottom wicks here, right? If I look at the previous hour's wick, 74.24. I look at the previous hour's wick before that, 73.89. We've got some room down to this lower Bollinger Band. You can see these Bollinger Bands starting to contract. What is that telling you? Big moves coming, okay? So you guys need to be ready. You have to understand candlesticks. You have to understand supply and demand. You have to understand what's going on, and you got to read the room, and you got to execute. Boom, boom, boom. You got to be able to execute. So what we're looking at here is a break to the top side over this channel is going to retest highs of $77.12. Okay, it is what it is. There's no easier way to kind of guess and go about this. It is what it is. It's price action. I've seen this happen plenty of times before. And if we start to lose this floor here, we are going to come down and test 73.53. That's at least $1 move, 80 cents. It's plenty. Right now, I'm currently sitting short in AMD 25 contracts. Okay, how is it going to play out? I don't know. But what we're doing is we're underneath this 1 hour 10-day moving average. This is what I'm going to kind of use as my stop. If we do break over and we get over 74.80, I'm just going to take the quick loss on it and reevaluate the situation when we get back up into this zone to see if we can reclaim this, or kind of we get rejected and then fall over. What I'm looking at here is if we start to give up, which we have given up the 5-day moving average, if we really start to close on an hour candle below this 20-day moving average, which is this purple line here, we're going to fly. And we're going to fly to 73.65, and we got to be ready to make some money on that. Next area that I'm looking at is 72.80. Okay, these are the two price targets that I'm trying to target. So take notes when I'm speaking on what I'm looking for, right? This is just the way I trade. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a full-time options day trader / technical analysis guy on YouTube that enjoys chart reading, right? So I don't think that we're coming all the way back down to 69 bucks. Could it happen in a week or two? Sure, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the quick move. I'm looking for $1 here, $2 there, 50 cents here, 80 cents here. I'm trying to get in where I can fit in whoever allows me to get in, right? So this is a floor that I'm looking at. Just kind of want to give you guys a trade idea here. Again, nothing major has happened yet or confirmed. We haven't taken out highs of yesterday. We haven't taken out the lows of yesterday. Purely just an inside bar day. Bollinger Bands are contracting. Move is getting ready to take place. I am ready to go long on AMD over 75.65, or I am ready to go short on AMD and continue to add and hold my position under 74, right? So as of now, I am short on this loss of this 20 SMA, 25 contracts, okay? Let me double check that. Is it 20 or 25? 25 contracts. It's $4,525 worth of premium. So that fits right in my ballpark with the amount of risk that I like to take per trade. Current trade is down $125. Nothing much considering what I've laid on the line for risk, right? So what I'm looking for here is that follow through and that break through the psychological round number of 74. Below 74, I'm going to probably trim half my size at 73.50, see what we do with these Bollinger Bands, and if we really break down, then I'm going to target 72.85 and 72.44. That's how I'm going to play AMD. I wanted to pass this along to you guys so you guys can do your own technical analysis. If you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to follow the trades, make sure to join the Discord. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.